So we probably need to restore that in some fashion. I assume a lot of this got set early in life because your whole microbiome, so backing up a little bit, just so people realize that, you have a lot of microbes. You have, in fact, more microbes in you than our human cells. And they're critical for digesting your food and all this. And they heavily interact with your immune system. 80% of your immune cells are in your gut. So you have this whole interplay between your immune system and your gut. And obviously then the food you eat, which it goes through your small intestine first, and the small molecules like glucose get absorbed, but then all the fibers, the big molecules, go into your colon area, your large intestine, where they basically, are interacting with these immune cells. So I think a lot of that gets probably set early in life. In fact, people have shown your microbiome gets set in your first 3 years of life. So I think that interplay all gets established, and then you are reacting to some of that, your food, later in life. That's at least the postulate. Not that you can't modify it. In fact, switching from carnivore to veggie diets or Mediterranean type diets, which are sort of healthier, like fish heavy veggie diets, I think are helpful for people. But I do think some of this gets set early, and I think getting that set right, I think we probably need to, as a society, get that all set a lot earlier, probably now too. And it's estimated, some work from Justin Sonnenberg, that native populations, these Aboriginal, they have 3 times the number of microbes that, say, people in the U.S. So we just don't have the same community that is probably handling diverse foods and probably making essential ingredients for our health that we're now missing. So we probably need to restore that in some fashion. Otherwise, this obesity and diabetes trend is just going to continue.